Hi guys, today we are going to talk about working with CSS in JavaScript. And for today I prepare little style. It's just style red, which makes color red, and style border, which makes our text with border. And also, as we already know, we can get any element by its ID, so we will use this function. And let's go. So the first thing that we want to use it's our style. So for example, I can make a style of this div like this, div style, and then I can we can make it like this. And you will see the style. This is all style values which this element has. And I can make it like div style and set, for example, color equal red. So the text will be red, as you see. Very easily we can change our style. The main what you need to know that it doesn't change our style sheet, it changes style. What does it mean? It means if you look at this element, it's add style element, so it's directly changed style, not using some CSS property. So it will change here directly, like this. Well, also you can change or delete it, like setting to none and something like this. Also, we can get if I write dv, no, if I write window and get computed style, here I can say I want to find dv and pseudo element, we will use null. And sorry, yeah, I should make it like this. Yeah. And here all CSS values which computed by browser, so they can be some default values or something like this. It's like we didn't use anything, we didn't send font family or something like this, but everything is computed somewhere, and we can look at for specific values, for example color. As you see, I can see color like this, so here all values like, I don't know, left, right, everything, all values, any value you can look through this in this way. Okay, let's go working with classes. We have two classes, as you see. I can add any classes as I want. So for example, if I delete this one, and it's red, and now I can set dv class name equal red, and I make it red. Cool, right? But you should not do this, because if I set class name border, it will make its class name border, but it will delete red. So that's why we usually should work with our classes using class list, like our dv has class list, and it's list of our classes. So for example, right now it has only border, and I can add new one, and now it's, as you see, it's red and it has border. So class list will return two classes, border and red for us, as you see. And it's just usual array, so I can use array notation like this and get any class as I want. Also, If I try to add couple times red, it will not work. As you see, it will add red only once. So this is for one will add only one time. It will not a lot of times. And also it has lengths as usual arrays. So right now I have two CSS styles rules, as you see, and I can delete any of them. So for example, I can say remove, and for example red, I can remove red. As you see, it's not red now. So that's the way to delete, to remove our classes. If you look at the list, you will see only border right now. And also there is a cool thing, it's called toggle. It's like toggle our classes, so toggle like this. So if class is already there, it will remove it. If it's not, it will add it. Very cool thing, as you see. And also I can check if if this class is we contains this class. So for example, as you see, red is false. We have no red class, but about border, we have border class. Very easy. And also we have list of our style sheets. So if you take document, it has like style sheets. This is list of our style sheets. And actually right now I have only one style sheet, so I can get it like this. So this is my style sheet, and I can work with it. I can disable it. So if I set the style sheets 0, disable it, equal false, it will be enabled. But if I set true, as you see, it's not it don't have border anymore. If I again try to make it false, you will see the border. So we can disable any style sheet as we want. Also, this style sheet has a list of rules, like CSS rules. Well, as you see, this is our rules, like red and border, and we can get any values of it, like for example selector. Oh, of course, it's a list. It has a length. Right now it's 2, and I can get any of it. For example, the first one, it's our color red, yeah, and I can get selector text, and I will see that selector is like this. And also I can see the style. Well, it's my style, it's also object which describes the style. For example, I can look at the color. So color is red. And I can see the all CSS text like this. So this is the text of my CSS. Like this. So that's the way which I can use to work with CSS. It has style, it has rules, and I can work with them. Also, I can add new rules. So for example, I can say my style sheet, and I want to insert rule, and I can say I want to add to all divs. I want to add rule like this: font weight is bold, and set index for it. just like this. And as you see, my text become bold, thanks because I add new rule to my style sheet. And I can delete this rule, well, really easily. I can just call delete rule, use index, and now my text is not bold because I delete the last rule very easily. And so that's the way to work with style sheets. Let's make conclusion. So we have direct styles in our element, which let us to change directly style, or we can use style sheets. So we can use our like document, and it has a list of style sheets where we can add new or change existing style sheets. So that's the way to use our styles in JavaScript. It's very easy. There is not much information. You can do whatever you want, change any styles as you want, and JavaScript give you a very easy way to make all of these changes. And well, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and bye.